You can hear him snoring. He's been sleeping since... Well, he's been sleeping off and on since about noon, I'd say. It was before you left. Or just after you left. And it is about 5:30 now. So he's been sleeping off and on for about 5 hours. Also eating off and on. Wake up, have a little snack, go back to bed. Wake up, have a little snack, go back to bed. He's living the dream life right now. Pooping wherever he wants. Having a woman clean up after his poop. We love you, Noah. Hi. What? Hey, Jess. When you look at his forehead on the screen, he's got like this big thing.
Yeah, it's called angel kisses or something like that.
But it doesn't. He doesn't have it in real life. He just has it on the screen.
Yes, he does. I can see it.
Oh. Well, maybe because I'm colorblind, it doesn't show up. But I'll show you the video after I'm done here. It's the reason why I tore up all my graduation pictures and burned them to a crisp, and then spread the ashes across the city slowly. It's a long story. This is his little cow chair. It vibrates and he loves it.
The batteries are dead right now.
Yeah. We used to put him in here, rock him back and forth. As soon as we turn it on, he would shoot out his arms like this, like he's flying. We turn it off and he'd put his arms back down. And we turn it back on and he'd go like this. Whee! And now he's grabbed onto my finger. His little tiny hand. His little tiny hand. Little tiny fingers. His little tiny pointy ears. His giant tongue and his smile. He's smiling. He knows I'm videotaping him. Can you say Daddy, Noah? He's waving.